guys. So I finally finished. It's 7 o'clock and I can't remember when I started. I did stop a few times. Anyways, I'm so dirty. I got all the ribbon I wanted on the shelf. I got the supplies that I took off. I put them back on. There's a few things we're going to take to the attic. Some things I got rid of. I have 2 trash bags full of giveaway ribbon that I don't really want, use, or I don't need it at all. Anyway, so here I will show you an up close of all the ribbon I have. This doesn't include like everyday ribbon, like your basics, black, white, stripes, things I use every day. That's in the craft room already. And I do have some Christmas. We have a spare closet and I have Christmas in there, and I also have some farmhouse ribbon and a dresser up by my bedroom. I have a little bit of a ribbon addiction, and that I'm getting rid of 2 bags is a big deal. Anyways, but I'm a huge crafter, and one of these days I'm going to show you some of the things I make. That's probably my favorite happy place, things to do. It's my happy place, is crafting. So let's go take a quick look. And then I'm going to park my car here. This used to be James's gym if you're just new here. So I really just wanted to put ribbon on the 2 center shelves and then use the 2 outside ones for supplies, different things that you would keep in the garage. Those shoes are all James's shoes. I'm going to get another shoe rack, and I'm going to put it over. When we get rid of that Bowflex, I'm going to get rid of that. When we get rid of that, I'm going to put a shoe rack there, and all those shoes will go on there. So anyway, so here's a little up close. So this top one is Christmas, as is this, and a little bit here, which I may take this to the attic. I don't really want it to be beside that heat pipe there, the heat pipe right there. So I may take that off and put it in the attic because I have the room. I just had it down here, not that one less trip to the attic. But here is like 4th of July and some teals. All my blue ribbons. Down here is, so this is all Halloween. I don't have a whole lot. I don't sell a lot of Halloween stuff. A few bows, a few signs. Sports. I don't sell a lot of sports either. Then we have ladybugs, ants, flamingo. This is my summertime ribbon. Samantha, Riley's fiance, makes signs and sells them on Etsy, and I make a lot of anchor bows for her. They're really popular. So that's all that. This shelf is just like neutrals. Got some cotton ribbon. Up here is some black and whites, different checks, and what little bit of St. Patrick's Day I have is here. And I have some Valentine's Day stuff in my craft room because I have been using it a little bit. And then down here is yellows and sunflowers. I'm going to drop you down. That's that. So I got sunflowers, lemons, bee stuff. I sell a lot of bee wreaths in the springtime and summer. Down here's fall. I have a lot more fall ribbon. I'm not sure where it is. I may have a bag of it at the pool store. I took it to show a lady. These are random ribbons that I don't use very often. We do apples because we have the Jackson County Apple Festival. I have some back to school ribbon, just random stuff. And then here's my Easter, which I love, love, love Easter, and springtime ribbon. So there's all that. And like I said, I may take these ribbons just because they look odd. I may take them off and put them in the attic on my shelf that Riley built me. I'll probably never take you to the attic because it's super overwhelming to me. Anyways, but that's what I've done. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Patches is trying to get in the garage. But when I get everything all cleaned up, I will, I'll let you see everything. I'm probably gonna pull my car in here tonight. It's like 12 degrees out. Actually, it's 22. Anyway, so thank you. Please like and subscribe. Comment a bow, all the ribbon, or a Christmas tree, because I love Christmas too. If you liked this content. Anyways, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. God bless.